Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Listening Practice. My name is Anna, and I'm happy to be here with you today. In this episode, we are going to talk about daily routines. What do you do every morning? What time do you wake up? What do you do before school or work? A daily routine is a set of activities that we do every day, Learning daily routine vocabulary is very useful because we use these words in everyday conversations. So, sit back, relax, and listen carefully. Let's get started. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. When I wake up, I get out of bed and make my bed. Then, I open the window and let fresh air into my room. After that, I go to the bathroom. I wash my face and brush my teeth. Then I get dressed for the day. I like to start my morning in a calm and positive way. I go to the kitchen and have breakfast. Breakfast is an important meal. I usually eat eggs, bread, and fruit. Sometimes I drink tea, and sometimes I drink coffee. While eating breakfast, I think about my plans for the day. After breakfast, I prepare for work or study. I check my bag and make sure I have everything I need. Then I start my day. In the morning, I often study English. I like studying in the morning because my mind feels fresh. Read short articles, learn new words, and practice listening. Sometimes I write sentences in my notebook. Learning a little every day helps me improve my English. At around 12 o'clock, I have lunch. Lunch is my second meal of the day. After lunch, I take a short break. I relax for a few minutes before returning to my work. In the afternoon, I continue my activity. Sometimes I work on important tasks. Sometimes I read books or watch educational videos. I also try to drink enough water during the day. Water helps me stay healthy and active. At about 5 o'clock, I finish my work. After work, I like to go for a walk. Walking helps me relax after a busy day. I enjoy the fresh air and quiet streets. Sometimes I listen to music while walking. Sometimes I simply enjoy the peaceful environment. When I return home, I spend time with my family. We talk about our day and share stories. I enjoy spending time with the people I love. In the evening, we have dinner together. Dinner is usually my last meal of the day. We often eat vegetables, meat, rice, or salad. After dinner, I clean the table and help around the house. Then I have some free time. In my free time, I enjoy reading books. Sometimes I watch a movie. Sometimes I listen to podcasts. I also like practicing English before bed. Even 15 or 20 minutes of practice can make a big difference. At night, I start preparing for sleep. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I change into comfortable clothes. Before going to bed, I think about the good things that happened during the day. I also make plans for tomorrow. Planning helps me stay organized. Finally, I turn off the lights and go to sleep. I usually sleep at 10. Getting enough sleep is very important. Sleep helps our bodies and minds stay healthy. Having a daily routine has many benefits. Routine helps us manage our time. It helps us stay organized and productive. A routine can also reduce stress and make life easier. Remember, You do not need a perfect routine. Small daily habits can create big results over time. Thank you for listening today. What time do you usually wake up? It helps us state write your answer in the comments. A routine can also reduce stress. How many minutes do you study English every day? Let's learn English together. See you in the next episode.